go. Show me your exercise. Slowly. How old are you, Jet? How old are you?
I'm 9.
You're 3.
Actually, half.
You're 3.5?
Yeah.
Yeah. When's your birthday?
It's in child.
In July, yes.
My birthday is child.
In July. What do you want for your birthday?
Cupcakes.
Cupcakes?
Yeah.
And what type of cake do you want?
Spider-Man.
A Spider-Man cake again? You had one last year. I thought maybe you want a Turtles cake. Or maybe... What do you think?
Turtle cake.
A Turtles cake? What about a Bear Grylls cake?
I don't want Bear Grylls cake.
What about some ants on it? You want some ants on it?
No.
No, I'm only joking.
I don't want them ants on it.
What do you want for your birthday then? What presents do you want?
I love presents.
Anything special you like?
I think the person I want.
Maybe
a
not.
train.
A choo-choo train.
Yeah.
What about an exercise bike or?
Mom, what's this? Why we brought all these stuff to this house?
Because we live here now.
I live here now.
Yeah, we moved. This is our new house. Do you like it?
Yes. No, we stuck up here.
No.
Yeah.
Do you want to go down and see if we can do some gardening?